Challenges of rocket launch in Australia. Australia's vast landscape and growing space ambitions have positioned it as a rising player in the global space race. However, launching rockets from the land down under is not without its challenges. Firstly, regulatory hurdles remain a significant barrier. Australia's space industry is still governed by evolving legislation, and obtaining launch permit can be a complex, time-consuming process. The Australian Space Agency is working to streamline this, but the legal framework remains relatively young compared to established spacefaring nations. Secondly, infrastructure limitations are a pressing concern. While Australia has made strides with launch sites like the Anaheim Space Centre in the Northern Territory, the country still lacks the large-scale, multi-use launch complexes and supporting logistics that are essential for frequent heavy lift missions. Geography, while advantageous in many ways, also brings environmental and cultural sensitivities. Launch operations often intersect with sacred indigenous lands or fragile ecosystems. Balancing technological progress with respect for heritage and nature requires careful negotiation and community engagement. Additionally, weather variability, including high winds, storms, and bushfire risk, poses frequent delays and technical risk. The unpredictability of Australia's climate can interfere with launch windows and compromise mission success. Finally, limited local supply chains and talent pools mean Australia often relies on international partners for critical component and expertise. Building sovereign capability will take time, investment, and continued collaboration with global space leaders. As these obstacles are gradually addressed, Australia is steadily carving out its space future. With strategic investment, public-private partnerships, and international cooperation, it is well on its way to becoming a key launch hub in the Southern Hemisphere. Thanks for watching.